Hello students, in this video we will see the noise pollution from environmental studies. Noise pollution. So firstly, what is noise? Noise, the unpleasant high intensity sound is known as noise, and the calmness of society polluted by noise. Calmness of society polluted by noise is called as the noise pollution. This is the definition of the noise pollution. नॉईस पोल्युशन सर्वात पहिल्यांदा नॉईस काय असणार आहे. सो नॉईस म्हणजे अनप्लेझंट हाय इंटेन्सिटी साऊंड असतो, ज्याची इंटेन्सिटी खूप जास्त असेल. ओके. देन द काल्मनेस ऑफ सोसायटी पोल्युटेड बाय नॉईस. ओके, जी काही शांतता वगैरे असेल किंवा काल्मनेस असेल बघा, दॅट कॅन बी पोल्युटेड बाय द नॉईस इज कॉल्ड ॲज द नॉईस पोल्युशन. ओके. इन दिस वे noise pollution, noise is measured in decibels. Unit of the noise is the decibel. Unit of the sound actually is the decibel. There are various sources of the noise pollution. So now we will focus on the various sources of the noise pollution. The first one, that is the industrial activities. There are various industries which are responsible for producing the high intensity noise. Okay, high intensity sound that involve the pneumatic industry, textile industry, steel rolling industry, dyeing industry, wood cutting mills, etc., due to which the high noise or the high intensity noise is produced from all these industries. Then transport activities, second one is the transport activities. So various transport media which causes the high intensity noise, like automobiles, railways, aeroplanes, etc., they also responsible for producing the noise. Domestic activities, the various activities which are carried out in the residential places, that is called as domestic activities, means it involved the TV, okay, radio, tape recorder, playing of the TV, radio, tape recorder, then use of the mixer, grinders, etc., may cause the high intensity noise and cause the noise pollution. Various cultural activities, you know very well that cultural activities also involve the religious program. Cultural activities involve religious program, various festivals, marriage ceremony, public speeches, etc. These are the various cultural activities which cause the noise pollution. Agricultural activities, you know very well that the various agricultural activities may involve the use of tractor, threshers, which also produce the high intensity sound, that is noise, and cause the noise pollution. Then various defense activities which involve the tanks, gunfire, aeroplanes, bomb, etc. These are the various defense activities, and it may cause the noise, and then noise pollution takes place. The different types of the mining activities, for constructing the mines, blasting is done. So blasting may cause the high intensity sound, so that's why it is also responsible for the sound pollution, noise pollution. And different other activities like stone crushing, dam construction, tunnel construction, road construction, earthquake and landslides. Landslides, earthquakes are the natural sources of the noise pollution. Okay, and all other activities are under the artificial sources. Okay, so it is about the sources of the noise pollution. Various these sources responsible for causing the noise pollution. There are various effects of noise pollution. आता जे काही हाय इंटेन्सिटी साऊंड असणार आहे त्याचे काही ह्युमन बॉडीवर इफेक्टसुद्धा होतील. देर आर व्हेरियस इफेक्ट्स ऑफ नॉईज पोल्युशन. These effects or that effect created may be temporary or it may be permanent, okay, on the human being. काही इफेक्ट हे टेम्पररी असेल, पण काही इफेक्ट हे परमनंट सुद्धा असतात बघा. So effects of noise pollution. So the effects are basically categorized into three types. Number one, physical effect. Number two, physiological effect. And number three, psychological effect. These are the three effects of noise pollution. We see it one by one. त्याला आपण वन बाय वन त्याला काय करू आपण स्टडी करू. ओके. So see now here, physical effect. Just a minute. Physical effect. First one, physical effect. So it may cause the temporary hearing problem. Okay, physical effect. So noise pollution may cause the temporary hearing problems. It may cause the permanent hearing problem. Okay, it also damage the tympanic membrane. Okay, so टेम्पररी हिअरिंग प्रॉब्लेम, तात्पुरता बहिरेपणा येऊ शकतो किंवा परमनंट हिअरिंग. ओके. तर अशा प्रकारचे डॅमेज टू टिम्फॅनिक मेम्ब्रेन. ओके, टिम्फॅनिक मेम्ब्रेन यालासुद्धा ते डॅमेज करू शकतं बघा, हाय इंटेन्सिटी साऊंड. ओके. So these are the physical effects. Then physiological effects. Physiological effect, it may cause the headache, it may cause the pain in heart, it may cause the rise in blood pressure, increasing the blood pressure, and also it may cause the loss of memory. It may also cause the loss of memory. These are the physiological effects takes place on the human being. And then the another one, psychological effects. Psychological effects, various types of the psychological effects. The psychological effects involved depression. Okay, depressions, fatigue, emotional disturbance, frustration, irritation. These are the various psychological effect. डिप्रेशन मध्ये जाणे, तणाव येणे, ठीक नाही, चक्कर येणे, भोळेने ज्याला म्हणतो आपण, किंवा इमोशनल डिस्टर्बन्स, फ्रस्ट्रेशन, इरिटेशन. These are the various psychological effects caused due to the noise pollution, due to the high intensity sound which are fall on our ear. Various types of the psychological effect, various types of the physiological effect. हेडॅक असेल, पेन इन हार्टमध्ये पेन होणे, डोकेदुखी, ब्लड प्रेशर वाढणे, मेमरी लॉस होणे. All these are the physiological effects. So these are the various types of the effects takes place due to the noise pollution. नॉईस पोल्युशनमुळे होणारे हे सर्व काय आहेत बघा, इफेक्ट्स आहेत. ओके. नेक्स्ट इज व्हॉट आफ्टर दॅट द another topic is the preventive measures. Now we focus on the preventive measures or prevention or control of noise pollution. याच्यानंतरचा पार्ट आहे प्रिव्हेन्शन और कंट्रोल ऑफ नॉइज पोल्युशन. हाऊ वी कंट्रोल, what are the control measures which are to be used to control the noise pollution, to minimize the noise pollution. There are various control measures that can be used. We see them one by one. So see now here, the industries having the source of noise pollution. आता आपण जशा वेगवेगळ्या इंडस्ट्रीज बघितल्या, न्यूमॅटिक इंडस्ट्री असेल, वूड कटिंग और सॉ मिल असेल, ओके, स्टील रोलिंग इंडस्ट्रीज असेल, अशा ज्या वेगवेगळ्या इंडस्ट्रीज ज्या सोर्स बनतात बघा नॉईज पोल्युशन करता, द व्हेरियस बाय युजिंग द व्हेरियस इक्विपमेंट दॅट इंडस्ट्रीज कॅन रिड्यूस द नॉईस ॲट सोर्स. सो ज्या ठिकाणाहून तो नॉईस जनरेट होतो आहे त्याच ठिकाणी त्याला कमी करणे ॲट सोर्स. सो रिड्यूस द नॉईस ॲट द सोर्स कॅन मिनिमाइज द नॉईस पोल्युशन. सेकंड सोर्स आपण जो बघितला होता हेवी ट्रॅफिक लोड. सो दॅट कॅन बी मिनिमाइज इफ द स्ट्रीट्स diverted from the residential places. Okay, So heavy traffic on the residential street must be reduced. रेसिडेन्शियल स्ट्रीट जिथे आहेत त्या स्ट्रीटवरची जी काही हेवी ट्रॅफिक असेल त्याला रिड्यूस करणे, दॅट मस्ट बी रिड्यूस इज ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द ऑप्शन टू टू कंट्रोल द नॉईज पोल्युशन. नेक्स्ट वन, प्रोटेक्टिव्ह ग्रीन बेल्ट means this is nothing but the planting of trees. Okay, protective green belt, that's why it is called as green belt. So planting of large number of trees अराउंड द इंडस्ट्रीयल झोन, इंडस्ट्रीयल एरिया. इंडस्ट्रीयल एरिया जिथे आहे त्याच्या सराउंडिंगला काय करणे, ग्रीन बेल्ट तयार करणे. अँड प्रोटेक्टिव्ह ग्रीन बेल्ट शुड बी डेव्हलप टू सेपरेट द रेसिडेन्शियल एरिया अँड इंडस्ट्रीयल एरिया. म्हणजे इंडस्ट्रीयल एरिया आणि रेसिडेन्शियल एरियाला सेपरेट करण्यासाठी ग्रीन बेल्ट तयार करणे. So green belt means the high intensity sound can be absorbed by the plant leaves, by the plants, and so that's why intensity decreases. त्याच्यामुळे इंटेन्सिटी त्याची काय होते, डिक्रीज होते. म्हणून ग्रीन बेल्ट यूज करणे इंडस्ट्रीयल झोन आणि रेसिडेन्शियल झोनच्या मध्ये, हा सुद्धा एक पर्याय असतो बघा नॉईज पोल्युशनला कंट्रोल करण्यासाठी. द वर्कर्स एक्सपोज टू हाय नॉईज पोल्युशन, those workers exposed to high noise pollution can protect them by using earplugs, okay, ear muffs, noise helmet, headphones, etc. These are the various equipment that can be used to protect them from the high intensity sound noise. The workers which are continuously exposed to high noise pollution, जे वर्कर्स कंटिन्युअसली हाय नॉईज पोल्युशन एक्सपोज करत आहे त्यांच्याकरता असे काही इक्विपमेंट यूज करून स्वतःचा बचाव करणे, हे सुद्धा एक महत्त्वाचं ऑप्शन आहे बघा. ओके, देन द अनदर वन, फॉर लॉज रिगार्डिंग नॉईज पोल्युशन मस्ट बी फॉलोड टू कंट्रोल द नॉईज पोल्युशन. laws regarding noise pollution must be followed. The various rules, regulations, okay, which are to be created by the government authority, that should be followed by every industries and those person who increase the noise pollution. Then the areas like hospitals, schools must be kept as a silence zone. The areas like hospitals, schools must be kept as a silence zone. Silence zone मध्ये त्याचं वर्गीकरण करणे. Okay, so in this way these are the certain control measures of noise pollution, prevention of the noise pollution. And the last topic from the noise pollution is what? Noise level at various zones of city. Noise levels at various zones of city. So noise levels at various zones of the city, the area are classified, and then areas are classified, the code which are to be decided, and there is a limit of the sound in the decibel. So the limit is different during daytime and during the night time. Okay, so see now here, industrial area, for industrial area the limit in decibel during daytime is 75 decibel and during night time 70 decibel. For the commercial area, where the commercial places are there, commercial content like shopping malls, various types of the offices, institutes, etc. For this area, day time limit is 65 and night time limit is 55. For residential area, the daytime limit is 55 and night time limit is 45. And for silence zone, the daytime limit must be 50 and 50 decibel and night time limit must be 40 decibel. So it is about the noise levels at various zones of city. Noise levels at various zones of city. So all this is about the noise pollution, which involved the definition of noise, noise pollution, then sources, various sources of the noise pollution, then the effect of that noise pollution, and preventive measures, control of noise pollution, and the noise levels at various zones of city. Thank you.